Welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing the Petit Vour and the color Curate for the month of February. If you are new to my channel, the second half of this video I go and give you a full review on all the products in the boxes after a 5-day wear test of everything inside of them. So let's see what we got this month. The first item we got is the card with the theme, as well as the items inside with the prices and a brief description of what we got. I do think this is cute with the little kisses for Valentine's. So anyways, yes, let's see what we got. First we have Speak Deodorant Cream, a gentle yet effective natural deodorant with a creamy texture that glides on to give you satin soft protection. Arrowroot powder, kaolin clay, and magnesium protect against odor and excessive sweating, while lavender essential oil keeps you smelling fresh. Okay, so I do use natural deodorants, things without aluminum. That's a big deal to me. I don't know much about this. I'm kind of curious to see if it has any baking soda in it, because baking soda, if you have not used natural deodorants before, it definitely works better, but it'll make your armpits have rashes, which if you have sensitive skin. I have sensitive skin, so if I use the baking soda deodorant, I will have rashes. So I am not seeing it on here, but I don't have my glasses on, so I might be seeing wrong. But anyways, that is what it looks like. It smells, I smell shea butter more than anything, so if you like shea butter, you'll like this smell. And I can't really say anything else about it yet, but I will definitely give it a try and see how well it works. Next we have K. Voss Lip Treatment, the perfect marriage of a lip balm and a lip gloss. This one-of-a-kind lip treatment contains an intensely reparative formula that softens, rejuvenates, and gives your lips a flattering sheen. And I do like all of that. That is a really pretty sheen for sure. And it smells really, really good. I can't really place what I'm smelling. It almost smells like a strawberry. Yeah. Next we have Raha, I think it's Raha, Shampoo and Conditioner Mini. Named for the oil that has beautified the hair of Amazonian women for centuries. The Raha nourishes, strengthens, and fortifies damaged hair. Known for pure ingredients and unparalleled performance, Raha's products rejuvenate hair and I can't even say it. Health. There we go. I'm just gonna go with that. Anyways, like the little Amazonian woman up top there. You can't see it because the light is kind of. There you go. See her with the arrow? I think that's cool. That's cute. I really have no ideas about this. I've never even heard of this brand, so this will be a new experience, but let me smell it. I'm curious to how this smells. I can't really smell too much. Let me try the conditioner, see if I can smell anything from there. I smell shea in this. Well, I don't have any other thoughts other than it smells okay, I guess, and I will try it and come back and let you know what I think of it. The last item we have is Gold Fathom ND Vital Boost. More than just a daily moisturizer, Vital Boost delivers hydration, antioxidant, nourishment, and a brightening glow. It improves the appearance of skin color and tone while promoting a youthful looking complexion. Okay, I've used one of their products before and it didn't go so well for me, but I think this is going to be fine because it is just a moisturizer and it's got hyaluronic acid in it, which is so good for your skin. If you want to prevent aging, that is definitely a skincare product you want. So yeah, I am going to see what this smells like because that's just super important to me because I don't like funky smells. It smells nice. It has kind of a citrusy smell to it, so I do appreciate that. It's not like an overpowering scent, and has a nice texture to it because I don't like my moisturizers, especially in the winter time, to feel too light. I want them to have a little bit of a stain power to coat the skin, if that makes sense. I mean, I want it to get in the skin, I just don't want it to like disappear. Anyways, that is it for the Petit Vour box. Let's go ahead and see what color Curate sent. Alright, first thing we got here is the Color Curate card with the theme for the month and the items listed as well as the price. I do think the fish theme is a little weird for February. I'm not really sure how that fits in with February, but it's still cute. I like the design. It's different. Alright, first product is Color Crush and Soothe Love by So Susan. Okay, this is supposed to be a lip and cheek tint, so it can be used as a blush and for your lips. Now, I have gotten one of these before in a pink color, and I really loved it, and I'm really excited about this color. I think this is a nice color too. So, like, if you're going to use it as a blush, you might want to wipe it in there, but you can see the tint. It's really, really pretty, really creamy, and these do wear really well, but I'll see if the formula is different. I don't think it will be, but you know, we'll try it out. Next item we have is Cheek Parfait in Coffee Dessert by Trifle Cosmetics. I'm guessing this is like a blush. I've not seen anything packaged like this before. I think it's really, really cute. The packaging for this company is just always really cute. Really, really cute. But anyways, that is what that looks like. That is very much pink and very much a blush, I would think. So that is how I'm going to wear it. Next we have Bare Necessities by Jelly Pong Pong. So this is supposed to be a highlighting pencil, and you can barely see it on my skin, but it is there. So I guess you can use it to highlight your eyes, maybe your brows, and yeah, go from there. Very last item in the bag is Sophisticated Palette in Magic Scales by Jelly Pong Pong. I do think that's funny because it's so fish-acated. Okay, that's really cheesy, but I love it. So I am loving the fact that this theme matches this theme. I think that's really, really, really cute, really adorable. I am in love with these colors, these shimmers and the shines. I'm a little bit scared because shimmers like this don't always wear well on my eyelids, so I'm hoping these do because I think they're really gorgeous and really pretty. I love the fact that these are pretty, even though they're shiny, they're still relatively neutral on this side, and these ones are bold because that gives me more ability to play with them, and I do love that. So that is it of what is in my bags, box, whatever. And I'm gonna go try them out for 5 days, and I will come back with my thoughts on them. It has been 5 days and I have tried everything out, so we're gonna go ahead and start with the Petit Vour bag or box. So the first off was the shampoo and conditioner mini set, and I did like these. I used them up actually because I don't know if you know this, but I have a lot of hair, so it doesn't really take me much to use up something like that. But I did really like it. I think it conditioned my hair very well, and it was really nice. Then there was the Gold Fatten MD Solution Vital Boost, and this is a moisturizer. Still using it. This goes a lot further than I thought it would, and it feels really, really good. Very hydrating, just like it says. And then we have the Lip Treatment by K. Voss. And this is a mix between a lip balm and a lip gloss, and it feels very good. I do like it. In fact, I need to put some on right now. Okay, I might have put a little too much on, but it's on, and I think it's pretty, very pretty and shiny. So the last item in that was this deodorant. I do not think it had any baking soda in it, because no rashes in my armpits, and you can see I was digging into it because I know some people like stick their finger in there. I take the back of my nail and do that because I just don't want it under my nails, and that's just why I do it that way. But I did like the way it wore. I felt like it did a good job, and I am pretty happy with this. So for the Petit Vour box, there were 4 items. Well, technically 5, but this was put in there as 1, so I'm going to count it as 1. So 4 out of 4 for that one. So moving on to the color Curate. So Susan one, there was this here, this, I guess it's like a cheek tint, and that's what I used it. And I found I needed very little, because if I used a lot, my cheeks were really, really rosy. I feel like if you had dark skin, or even a medium brown caramel tone skin, this would look really lovely, and you still wouldn't need a lot. But if you're fair like me, or fairer, because believe it or not, there are people whiter than me, you need very little, and this is going to last you a very long time because it's just very pigmented, but it is really nice. Now then, there was this lip and cheek tint, and I did use it as both, and I do like this as well. I like the fact that it's not like super rosy, and it's more like a light blush kind of. I still can't really explain, but anyways, it's a very nice color, and I really do like this, and will continue to use that. And the last is the Sophisticated palette here. Sophisticated. I still love that. Okay, anyways, if you look in it, you can see that I've been digging into it pretty well. And I do like it. If you can see my eyelid, it's not creasy, just shiny. And that makes me happy, because some shimmers crease really, really bad. I don't know why. Just certain formulas don't do well on my eyelids, but this one did really good. It wore really well, stayed in place, didn't experience major creasing or anything. So I do really like that. And then the last item that was in that bag was this Bare Necessities highlight pencil. Now I tried it under my I got some mascara on there. Let me wipe that off. There you go. So I did use this on my waterline, and I tried it a little bit under my brows a little bit to see what I thought of it, but I would put it under the brows, and then I would put my shadows on over top so that it would just catch the light a little bit better. For me, I feel like this is best used in the waterline. I don't know what else you could use this for. If you've used these products before, I wouldn't mind some suggestions on other ways to use it. But for the purpose that I used it for, I enjoyed it. So we've got the 4 items from that bag, and for me, that was another 4 out of 4. So the month of February was very strong in the clean beauty realm for me. If you like this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Let me know what your favorite products from this month was, and I hope to see you in the next video.